Do you need fast funding for your small business? We provide quick small business funding from $500 today and up to $2 million in 48 hours. Our loan programs are limited documentation and very easy to qualify. Let's figure out how much you need, as our programs are not credit score driven. At DAC, we are passionate about helping entrepreneurs, which is why we created a digital one-stop solution for business funding. With one-on-one support from our team of funding experts, we simplify the funding process with one simple application that only takes minutes to complete. Imagine the possibilities when you have the right financial support at your fingertips. Funding from DAC will allow you to focus on growing your business. Our funding can be utilized for a wide range of purposes, including purchasing inventory, upgrading equipment, expanding or renovating, or simply pay down operational costs. Complete the application, get a decision, receive your funds, and lower your stress level. Happy funding!
I have recommended several of my clients to Potomac Mutual Trust this year. I am a CPA with over 20 years of experience and have a high net worth client base. Whether it has been a $250,000 line of credit for one of my medical practice clients or putting together $5 million funding for one of my IT research clients, the staff at Potomac Mutual Trust ensures expedited closings with an errorless process.
If you don't like waiting for approvals but still need funds fast, then Potomac Mutual Trust is your go-to. Potomac Mutual Trust offers super easy to qualify DAC business loans designed just for small business owners like you. Got bad credit? No problem. Our customer-centric approach makes sure even businesses with less than perfect histories can get the funding they need. Whether you need working capital or want to expand, we've got you covered with flexible solutions. From business lines of credit to specialized loans, we cater to diverse needs. And guess what? Bad credit isn't a deal breaker here. We understand the challenges small businesses face, and we're committed to helping you conquer them. So why wait? Contact Potomac Mutual Trust today and let's get your business growing with our DAC loan programs. Ready to get started? Visit our website or give us a call now. Potomac Mutual Trust, your partner in business success.